I'm actually going to do something totally crazy today. I'm going to start a whole new blog on a whole new platform that I've never used before, and I'm going to record it everything step by step. Hi there everyone, welcome back to the Flexible Income Club. This is the series, this video is one of the videos in the series Pins to Paychecks. This is the video where things actually get exciting. We are going to create our blog. Now our blog is the piece that everything is going to revolve around. The blog is the essential centerpiece of this whole strategy for our affiliate marketing via Pinterest. Now I have created a blog already for this, but I'm actually going to do something totally crazy today. I'm going to start a whole new blog on a whole new platform that I've never used before, and I'm going to record it everything step by step. This is crazy because I already have a blog that I created for this purpose, but I did it on System.io. I created that other blog on System.io, and I found it very complicated. And after speaking to a few other people, they agreed with me. System.io, even though it's a free platform to host your blogs, to host your landing pages, it is complicated to work with. I'm going to test this next platform and I'm going to see where it takes us. Stand by. Don't leave us. Let's see how this goes. All right, so here we go. We're on the platform, I'm going to call it, that we're going to use. It's called the Wealthy Affiliate. Yes, it's an affiliate website, but isn't that brilliant that you can use something that's going to make you an income to create income with? I love that. That is what I love. I love having tools that pay me while I need them anyway to use for my business. And this is one of those things, the wealthyaffiliate.com. It's been around for 20 years apparently, created by some Canadian guys. And as far as I know, it seems pretty good. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos of people using this and who have been using it for years. So let's go inside and see what it's all about. Now, if you don't have an account yet with wealthyaffiliate.com, I'm going to leave you my link down below because this is an affiliate website. If you use my link, I will get some commission for you creating an account using my link. The bonus for you is you'll get me as your upline, to call it in the network marketing terms, or as your support system if you use my link to sign up with. All right, now let's get into it. Before I log in, I want to show you this. This is what the Wealthy Affiliate is all about. It says trainings. They have trainings inside, community experts, live classes, and world-class WordPress hosting, plus more. So it's got education, it's got websites, it's got an affiliate program, and it has a free option to start with, and then it is also a paid option. Start with a free option, that's where I've started at, and then you have a paid option at $99 per month, where you get AI credits, 30,000, 10 websites, private messaging platform, expert training, a personal blog and profile, and daily website backup. In the free plan, you get the 5-part AI launch series, 1 website. So that's perfect for us right now. We just need 1 website to start off with right now. Log in. And like I said, I've already got an account, but if you don't have an account, go to this create account. You can either do that with Google or create your account in this way. All right. So here it says get instant access to build a highly successful online business, 1 profit-ready website, step-by-step make money blueprint, our famous 4 steps to success, 1-hour expert class, niche, keyword, and competition research tools. Now that there alone is very important. I'm going to log in. You create your account if you don't yet have an account, using my link in the description, as I said. Now this is where you get to once you've logged in, the home dashboard, and it gives you a little timeline here of what to do. As you can see, account created. Now what I want to point out to you right from the start here is this little piece here, earnings. Just for engaging on this platform, you earn money through this platform, which I find super interesting. But Do note, the only way you can cash this out is by upgrading to the paid account. Now, for this purpose, I'm not going to upgrade yet. I want to see how far I can get on the free version to create my website. Now, let's go. Let's see where we have to go next. Start the training. I guess we should start the training. I'm not going to play this right now live on this video. You can watch this for yourself inside this website. It's for free. This is the second video in the series, and I am going to play a little bit of that video for you.
Hey everyone, Kyle here, and welcome back. In this lesson, I want to cover the process of making money online. Ultimately, that is probably one of the core reasons you're here. Of course, you want to educate yourself. Of course, you want to be part of a community. But at the end of the day, you want to create more success for yourself. You want to free up time. You want to have all the things that come with building a successful online business: time, location, financial freedom, all those fun things. But what happens is when people go into online business, they oftentimes make things way more complex than they need to be. So what I want to do is to really simplify the process, because it isn't really that complicated. Complexity can come down the road.
So in this video, he's going to explain exactly what I am teaching in my Pins to Paychecks. So this is what it is. It's going to be the foundation, which is going to be our blog, our traffic. We're going to choose Pinterest because Pinterest, what I love is that you do not have to post every day. Pinterest is a platform where your posts, your content stays relevant for up to 13 months, they say. Stays findable, stays searchable for up to 13 months. It works like a search engine, which is totally different than Facebook at this time and Instagram at this time. I do believe TikTok is trying to be a search engine as well, but Pinterest is in the leagues of Google just about. And with this blog method and Pinterest and then our affiliate marketing, we're going to do this. So this platform seems like it's going to be perfect for what we're trying to do here. Now I'm going to carry on. You can watch this video when you've signed up in your own time. I'm going to mark it as done. And we're going to continue on. So then I'm going to skip over to the creating a hub. So basically that's what we want to do now. We need to create a hub to start making our business. So I'm going to go over to my businesses and I'm going to create a hub. So this is going to be the basis for our blog. I want to choose health and wellness for my blog. Let's see, health. So it says mental health and wellness has got a much greater opportunity here. The opportunity rating is a unique metric to create and help evaluate how promising a business side idea health might be for building a successful online business. It considers factors like market demand, competition, affiliate, program revenue potential, and growth potential. This rating is your guide to choosing a niche that can lead to greater success and profitability. So obviously I'm going to have to choose one: natural health and alternative medicine, chronic disease management. So just health is too broad. Health and wellness, growing awareness and demand for mental health support with strong market size, digital products offering excellent earning potential, fitness and weight loss, nutrition and dietary supplements. My idea is I want to promote affiliate products that I already have. So I have the Healy, which is a frequency device, and I have the Kangen water that I want to promote, and then obviously also some of other things. So natural and alternative medicine, I think that will be the one I'll be going for. So it's given that as a name with that. So you can use your own domain or you can use a free domain. If you have your own domain, so you have to be on the upgraded plan to be able to get your own domain. Now, can I go back to where I was? Build my website. Let's see what happens. This is interesting. Play by play. Watching this live with you. Not that long. All right. Very interesting. Let's see what it's done. My niche is natural and alternative medicine. My brand, I have to upgrade to choose a brand or domain. My website name is naturalandalternativemedicine.siterubix.com. Let's view my website. So it's already put the bare bones website together for me. Interesting. Let's go back. Now, what is next? Add content. All right. So we're just going to get started right here, right there. Very interesting. So choose a template. Make money with XYZ. Product review. Oh, interesting. They even have, oh wow, look at this. Recipes, long form sales copy for affiliate products, a how-to step-by-step guide, the 10 best listicle. I like that, 10 best XYZ. Short form, frequently asked post, topical, frequently asked post for your brand, standard blog post, privacy policy, affiliate disclosure. Wow, I like this. Shall we start with standard blog post? All right, let's see, view this template. This is what it will look like. Very nice. I am impressed. So I think I'm going to have to make a part 2 of this because this video is getting a bit on the long side. So I'm going to stop right here and I'll come back with a part 2.